Hi everyone! Welcome again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, gagawa naman po tayo ulit ng isang baking recipe or paste cake recipe. So ang gagawin natin is chocolate banana upside down cake. So for the ingredients, meron ako ditong sifted all-purpose flour, alkalized cocoa powder, brown sugar, sliced banana, 2 whole eggs, cooking oil, baking powder, fresh milk or evaporated milk, salt, baking soda, vanilla, dulce de leche. Ihalo natin to sa cake mamaya. And next is gagawa po tayo ng caramel, which is the sugar and the butter. Okay, painitin natin yung ating pan. Then, this is my way how to make my caramel, another way. So, imimelt ko yung butter, then i-add ko na po yung white sugar. So, kanya-kanya po tayo ha, may kanya-kanya tayong way ng paggawa ng caramel. So, haluin ko muna siya. Ayan, antayin na natin mag-caramelize siya. Kasi hindi naman natin kailangang super dark yung pagka-caramelize natin sa sugar. Kasi nga, mamaya, ibibake pa natin to. Okay, everyone. Ayan, yung ating caramel with the butter. So, mix lang natin. Okay, I think enough na po to. Okay, sa 8x4 na pan, ita-transfer natin siya. Yan. Then, spread. Yan. Okay, then palamigin natin konti ha kasi ilalagay natin yung saging, isasalansan natin. Okay, this is optional. So maglalagay ako ng cinnamon, konti lang, pinch, or depende kung gaano kalasa yung cinnamon bago ko ilatag yung banana. Kasi extra flavor sa ating banana to. Bagay po sila. So, optional lang po ha, optional. Okay? So, pag malamig na yung pan, it's up to you kung bilog yung pagkakakat nyo sa ating banana. Pero gusto ko sa akin, may style po siya. Kaya ginawa ko to. Ganito. Hinati ko lang yung lakatan ng pahaba. Or dalawang beses. Into two pieces yung lakatan. Yan. Then, like that. Diba? Para kakaiba naman yung style ng ating banana. Ayan. Oh, look at it. So, I want more cinnamon. So, it's up to you ha. Optional yung paglalagay ng cinnamon. Basta nasasarapan po kasi ako sa cinnamon with the banana. And that's it. Okay, for the cake batter, so I'm going to add into a clean bowl our dry ingredients first. Our flour, cocoa, and then our sugar, our baking powder, pampaalsa, baking soda, and then salt. So, i-mix muna natin. Then, let's make a well at the center. Then, next is our liquid ingredients, which is the cooking oil, 2 whole eggs, vanilla, and then our fresh milk. Then, mix hanggang walang lumps. Okay, so ito po siya. Ito yung texture niya, medyo malapot. Ayan. Then, preheated na dapat ang oven nyo at 350 degree Fahrenheit. Then, ilalagay na natin siya sa ating baking pan. Okay, ilalagay na natin yung ating cake batter sa ating mahiwagang pan. Yung cake batter, hindi siya ganun katamis because maglalagay tayo ng dulce de leche. Baka may mag-comment, oh, nakaka-diabetic. Gaganyan na naman. Konti lang yung ating sugar. So, optional kung maglalagay kayo ng dulce de leche. O optional na lang to sa mga may problem sa sugar. So, around 1/4 cup to half cup of dulce de leche. Then, barbecue stick or chopstick. So, ganyan po siya para ma-mix. Yan. Swirl. Okay, ready na siya to bake. 45 minutes to 1 hour or until insert kayo ng toothpick sa gitna, wala nang, hindi na siya basa, that means okay na siya. Pero it's much better, i-timer nyo siya kasi iba-iba tayo ng oven. So 45 minutes to 1 hour ang baking time. Okay, everyone, after cooling it down, our chocolate banana upside down cake, ito na siya. So kapag umumbok ang inyong cake, ang outcome, tapyasan nyo lang po kasi kapag maulbok siya, hindi yan magpa-flat sa ilalim. So ganun yung ginawa ko, tinapyasan ko po siya. And then, invert lang, baliktarin, then, there you have it. Okay? So, napakabango with the cinnamon. Okay, then, hope you like it, our chocolate banana cake, and see you soon on my next video, and thank you for watching. Okay, let's slice our cake. Ang ganda po niya. Sarap. Yan. So, papakita ko yung itsura lang po ng upside down banana, upside down chocolate, oops! So, itataas ko lang. Look at it. Yan. O, diba?